I'm excited about being here, excited about bringing Stadium Super Truck to Australia, introducing it to the Australian fans, and obviously the V8 Supercar fans. And I think they've been overwhelmed with the excitement that the trucks produce and the competition that the racing is.
Absolutely flying with it.
Talking about tires, they're just brutal on the tires. It's amazing that a stock DOT-based TOYO tire can handle this kind of punishment.